Beneath the gentle waves of the ocean that cradles Japan, a world of wonders awaits discovery. Join me on an extraordinary journey as we unveil Japan's amazing and peculiar statues hidden beneath the sea and their Greek counterparts. A tale of lost treasures spanning different centuries and cultures begins to unfold. Submerged in the depths of the ocean, Japan reveals a collection of statues that defy the ordinary. Each one, a silent guardian of a forgotten era, tells a story of ancient artistry preserved by the sea. But the mystery doesn't end there. Intriguingly, these submerged wonders find a connection with Greece, a land rich in its own heritage. As we explore the depths, we discover clones that bridge the gap between these two ancient cultures, creating a narrative that transcends time. Witness the amalgamation of beauty and peculiarity as we compare these statues across different centuries. From the enigmatic depths of Japan's ocean to the timeless shores of Greece, each sculpture speaks to the artistry and mysteries of its own era. Behold the captivating details that make these statues not only beautiful but invaluable. The craftsmanship reflects the soul of ancient Japan, and the shared legacy with Greece adds a layer of cultural richness to these submerged treasures. In the ocean's embrace, Japan conceals incredible lost works of art, sharing a kinship with the cultural wonders of Greece. Join me in this exploration of ancient and lost statues, where the beauty of the submerged meets the echoes of centuries past, leaving us with a profound appreciation for the treasures hidden beneath the waves. As we dive into the depths of cultural discovery, let these statues remind us of the artistry that connects us across oceans and centuries. Join the conversation on these submerged wonders, where the beauty beneath the waves tells a timeless tale of artistic legacy.